Good morning. Just woke up and I'm ready to do my fast. So actually, no, I'm not, because I woke up and I'm already starving. I've never actually done a fast before. This is gonna be my first one. And I thought, what a good idea to vlog my fast. I'm gonna take you along for the journey. Anyways, look how pretty the sunrise is. So I'm starting my day off with some electrolytes. I'm using Ultima. This is the raspberry flavor, even though I like all the flavors. This is our workout station, and I'm going to start the day off with a workout. Woo!
Pana, Berkey, filtered water. Stanley cups for all my girls who drinking water. Stanley cups for all my girls who drinking water, 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 water. Mountain, valley.
So I just finished my workout and I'm actually feeling pretty good. I'm not as hungry as I was when I first woke up. And I'm gonna have some probiotics right now. I'm at my friend's place and these are the ones she's taking. So this is what we're going with for the day. And I'm also staying super hydrated. I'm drinking my electrolytes and I'm also having some salt. And then later I'm gonna have some charcoal so that it could really bind to my toxins and take them out of me. Also, they're cooking bacon upstairs and I could smell it. So it's a little bit of a struggle right now. On my way to the coffee shop because I need to get some work done, but also I just don't want to be home. There's a lot of cooking going on and I'm tempted to eat. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna head to a coffee shop to get distracted a little bit and get some work done. All right, so I just got to the coffee shop kind of like an hour ago and I'm going to check my numbers with my Keto MOJO to see where I'm at, to see where my GKI is at. And yeah, I can't really get anything at the coffee shop because everything has calories except for a black coffee, but I don't like coffee, so I'm just gonna drink my water. My sugar is a 96. All right, these are my ketones, 0.7. All right, I just checked my numbers and my GKI is a 7.6. I'm trying to get it to a 1, so it might be a lot more hours till we get there. My stomach is growling. It's like 11:30 a.m. right now. And this is my food, a little container of salt. And that's it. So I am starting to feel the hunger creeping in. And it's still really early in the day. So still at the coffee shop and I'm 18 hours into my fast. My last meal was last night around 7:30. I'm gonna take my charcoal now. I had my probiotics about 3-4 hours ago and now I'm gonna take some charcoal and keep it going. By the way, I've been munching on salt and I don't feel particularly hungry. Like, yes, definitely I'm down to eat, but I'm not feeling like growling and like super crazy hungry. So I wanted to give a little update on my progress of my fast. It is 5 p.m. now. I'm about to leave the coffee shop and I stopped eating around 7 p.m. last night. So I am 22 hours into my fast, which I'm actually really shocked and surprised because I did not think I would last that long. And not only am I lasting, but I don't feel like crazy hungry. I thought I was gonna be starving and my stomach hasn't been growling. I've been like distracting myself, so I think that's really helpful. Like if you're just sitting around thinking about food or smelling food, of course you're gonna be hungry, but if you're just distracting yourself, it's a lot more helpful. I have been munching on my salt and my electrolytes, so whenever I kind of like get a little like discomfort in my stomach, I'll have some salt or electrolytes. And yeah, I've been taking charcoal and probiotics as well. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty good, honestly, but I can't wait to get home and eat. So it's been 22 and a half hours and I'm about to check my ketones. Here we go. Ow! All right, so this is my sugar. It's at an 85. My sugar generally runs high, so I'd say that's still pretty high for not eating for this many hours, but let's check the ketones. I'm at a 2.2. I was reading it backwards. I thought it said 5.5. 2.2. Okay, let's check our GKI. I just checked my GKI and I'm at a 2 and my goal was 1, so I didn't quite hit it. Probably hit it if I wait a few more hours, but I am over this and I want to eat before it gets too late. So yay, first almost 24-hour fast, 22.5, almost 23 hours. And I'm going to break my fast with some pure whole leaf aloe vera. Cheers. We did it. Oh. So I'm going to have a very high fat meal. I'm not going to have any carbs because I want to ease into it. So I'm gonna have some arroz con pollo without the arroz for my protein, and then I'm also going to have this cheese for my fat for the meal, and it's gonna be a pretty heavy 3-to-1, so 1 gram of protein to 3 grams of fat.